All right, do you ever get a bolt broke off on stuff and you can't get it out? I tried drilling it out with a reverse thread. Didn't with the reverse drill bit, didn't quite work. So I'm going to go to the old standby, which is welding a nut on there. So if you wanted to, you could weld it on this side, but since we have access, we're going to weld it right on here. I'm going to show you how we do that. It's pretty straightforward, easy way to get a bolt out. It's one sure way. What you do is you make sure you have a wrench for this. This fits the right size. This slides right over here. We're going to weld it on here to get red hot. Then it's going to just twist right out. It's really a pretty cool trick. You got to have a welder though. But even if you don't have a welder, you probably want to know how to do this. So let me show you. Here we go. Now, comes right out. Having a nut on there makes me, you can grab it really easy. And there you go. See, that thing is nice and welded. And now your threads are nice and clean. You don't have to re-tap, you don't have to do anything. Now that we got that bolt out, we're gonna do a little thread chaser, which I swear by these things. These are really nice. This is the right size thread. Normally you could do like a little chuck attachment, but I don't feel like looking for it, so let's just run this in real quick. I'm gonna run this in. There we go, that was nice and clean. Now if you're wondering why exactly that bolt probably broke off, it was pretty old. You know, because the car is an 89. It's a really cool car. It's an 89 Saleen Mustang that he's gonna be restoring. We're gonna be redoing the core, we're gonna be replacing the quarter panel on the channel, which if you're interested in that kind of stuff, is definitely gonna be on the channel. We're gonna do that probably pretty soon. He's just waiting on some hinges for today, and but these bolts, they break off, but they also have a little notch in them to make them kind of self-locking. You can't really see it now, but they've got a little kind of notch in them, which kind of makes them like a lock. And so you don't want those threads ever really coming out. So there we go. Got the plate all nice and cleaned up, and now it's ready to go back in my buddy's Fox body. Tell me what you think. Click like and follow. Hey, YouTube thinks that you'll like this channel over here. Hey, YouTube thinks that you're going to like this video, but you can also click like and subscribe right over here. Have a great day. Or maybe, is it up there? There? I don't know. Wherever it is. Just do it, okay? You know the routine.